In this video, we are going to see how we can access the YouTube Studio if you want to manage your videos, delete some videos, edit some content, or basically optimize or manage your channel in a better way. What you can do is just head over to youtube.com, and once you are in here, just go to the top right hand corner on the profile icon, just click on that and click on YouTube Studio, which you can see right at the middle. Click on that. And here you can see and manage your content. Let's say that I want to manage this content. You want to edit any of these. You can edit it from here. You can watch it on YouTube. You can read through all of the comments. You can check all the analytics, and you can even delete it if you want to. So if you want to delete, let's say, any video, you can just select this and delete it forever. But since I am an editor right now, I'm not the owner of this channel, so that's why I won't be able to do this. Also, if you want to check your overall analytics for the channel, you can just check it here. You want to see all of the comments. You can just click on the community to see all of these comments right here and reply to that. So there you go, guys. This is how you can manage and open the YouTube Studio on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.